Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Konrad Kongkel Sangma menta kesengi ke khat kendai terik ubna yayong arajar arpuai ula khot bat wer yiki seng bahalang Jong Kejela Meghalaya ban yalet lang Delhi bat ki menteri ke sarkar jela kenang ban bodi ni ke jingdawa Jong ki pajba halor ke jingdawa ban pentrai kam yiki inline permit hakane ke jela Meghalaya. Kani ke jingkot Jong Menteri Rangba ke jela yiki seng bahalang kalong hadin bagi seng bahalang bapher ki badan hapo ke syatri Jong ke Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organisation ki lalet tur kendit Main Secretariat ke balong ke office ke bakong santam Jong ke jela Meghalaya ban pensengau halor ke jingdawa yiki inline permit ke bala syusa ateng mentala sisnem tam wat hadin baka yeng dor barthauan Jong ke jela kala menjur yiki resolution haka khat kendai terik ubnai nokpra arajar khat kendai.
The government of Meghalaya's most direct and firm stand has been shown in terms of the resolution that we have passed. Now beyond this, really we have to pursue with Government of India. So which is something of course we are still doing. But what I'm saying is that at this point in time, the ball is lying in the Government of India's court. So yes, we should pursue. I would urge that the organizations also should take the step. They can move forward and meet other officials, other leaders in Delhi also, and pursue this matter along with the state government and try to find a solution to the problem that we're facing right now and see how we can work together in this.